Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, I am in front of you. It's good to be present in front of you. Hey, sometimes I feel chill or relaxed. Sometimes I inside me so much nervousness or so much hesitation inside me, but sometimes I just articulate any ideas in front of a crowd, or you can just think publicly. Or sometimes I feel, hey, I can speak anything in front of people, but when it comes to deliver or express ideas or thoughts, then I feel, hey, why you are not able to speak clearly in front of people? Or I just stuck. Or you can think, you can say, hey, you are not saying anything openly or freely, without holding back, without hesitation. Or sometimes I just say, hey, I can just do the same things. I can speak freely, openly, confidently in front of people or in front of a crowd. You have a courage to face people's feelings, or whatever they are just thinking, whatever they might think. You can just stick to your words or to your attention. Sometimes I just distracted, but sometimes I just gather courage to speak in front of people. Or I am trying to concentrate myself to speaking, what I have to say, how to say, what to say. So many things I just want to say. Or hey, again and again people are just looking to me and just staring the same and thinking. I think I don't know what exactly they were thinking, but they were thinking, hey, what he is saying, or hey, again I am just feeling nervous little bit. I'm not saying I am just I right now I want to just say anything confidently, freely, openly, just like a public speaker say in front of so many people, without taking single pause, without holding back, without hesitation, openly, just chill in front of people, relaxed kind of thing. I have to just say, I have to do, but sometimes I feel nervousness, and I am just avoiding all these things, what people think, or I don't know, leave it. I just have to speak and speak whatever comes to my mind. I want to articulate my ideas, or also I have to take many topics to discuss with you. I'm just you can just think, hey, I am just chasing my weekly goal, or after chasing my weekly goal I'll just say so many things, what's ideas inside my mind, or what I have to say to you, what I have to convey to you, or why I am here, why I just took a mobile, or I am shooting a video, or you just say I am capturing my video or my voice or anything, whatever. Then I'll just share all these things behind shooting a clip or video. So many purpose behind it. I'll just share. Or hey, you cannot Hey, I have to say something. Right now my heart is beating or pumping because I am speaking or in front of a crowd, or they might think what he is saying, or why she is saying he is why he is saying what he is saying, or might because of this because of so many crowds, or I am just my attention was grabbed by the crowd, or my energy is low when people look at me and staring like a different guy. So I'll be feel comfortable within a 15 days, I think, because I'm confident guy. I do not live like this. I have to live my life happily. I do not waste. I do not want to waste my life, or I do not want to die with these things. Hey, I hope you are getting it what exactly I am saying. You understand my emotions right now. My heart is beating. My heart is beating multiple times at a second, you can say. Or I am also just trying to concentrate myself on whatever I am just saying. My attention was grabbed by someone multiple times while making videos, or you can just see so many people are just watching, you can say just looking at me, and or you hey, I have to say more things, but right now when it comes to say anything, then I forgot my mind. You can say I just forgot everything. I feel like, hey, you don't know anything, or you are not able to speak clearly, or you are just not making correct sentences, or that's why people are staring you or looking to you, or so many things. Or sometimes I feel that I'm not saying sometimes, I'm just trying to say in front of people, in front of public, in front of a crowd. Whatever you are just trying to articulate your thoughts or ideas, emotions, feelings, whatever, you cannot express. That's it. Today's is enough for me. I have to talk more, but again my energy was grabbed by the person who come and go through me, or you can say just who passed beside me, or I am unable to make correct sentences like that, what exactly, but you understand my energy is almost low. Whatever I have to say, I am not saying clearly, or one day will come and I'll just confidently, openly, freely say to you anything, whatever I am, whether it's ideas or feelings, emotions, publicly I can speak. Right now my hands was shivering because also I started pain in my hand because I am standing, I am raising my hand for a long time. So, or sometimes I also think that hey, after how many days you will remove your fear. Hey, inside my mind, not that particular word striking at a time what I have to say because of people, or I'm just trying to my mind was not striking, not pick upping those words what I have to use at the time, at a time, uh, or you can think that suddenly whatever I have to express at a time, that word is not striking in my mind or clicking, so that I can express what I have to make or what I have to express. My mind is not giving me that kind of word at a time or suddenly, or hey, that's it, my in my hand, so much pain. I am just striving right now, or that's it. I'll just trying to give my best another day. I don't have courage to say something. Hey, I want to more to talk to you, but what to say, or I just forgot because of so many people are staring me as I said to you several times. That's it. Today's is enough for me, or for my body, or you can say for my mind as well, because my mind is not pick upping or striking those words or those sentences what exactly I want to express in front of you. Or I also have to say, hey, you have to live with a strong determination, or you have to do for your parents, or for your family, for your society, for your country. So you have to take immediate action. Or some people are always just thinking, they are not taking any action against their problems or anything else. That's it. Keep watching if I am saying correct, or if I am upholding to you, if I am uplifting to you, then keep watching my video. Hey, my train is also just coming on the platform number 1, and I have to just say finally I have to go Begusarai, as I said several times. I have to take a class there.